Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see how to install and work with opencv and VS Code. As you see here, our folder name is opencv install. Then our file name, it's a Python file name, cv2ec.python. So you can see here imports cv2. They say n'est pas accessible. It means not accessible. So to create an virtual environment here to work with opencv, let's just go here, terminal, a new terminal. As you see here, and this to give all the properties here, and this to create study session, a virtual environment to work and to install opencv there, and Matplotlib and other libraries, scikit-learn for example. It will take a few seconds. Now let's activate the study session environment here. To do this, let's just do a study session script activate here, and you can see here study session, and here was created here, as you see, and here you can install all libraries that you will work with. Let's continue here and let's install. So you can install here Matplotlib if you want to use or you need to use it. Okay, for example, it will be installed here in lib package. Collecting here, you can see. All the installation, it will be already in few seconds, as you see. This will not take too much time to do. Here, as you see, successfully installed. So Matplotlib was installed. You can check here lib. So you can see also NumPy, Matplotlib here. So it has been installed. We can also install scikit-learn here. This right pip install this scikit-learn and click to OK. And here you can see collecting. It will take also a few seconds as Matplotlib to be installed. And also you can check here lib. You will see a difference here. So it has also been installed, as you see here. Let's check in the lib section. Okay, so here you can see here scikit-learn. So Bill, as you see here, it's library of images. It's same of opencv, but there is a few differences between each of the both. Now let's install opencv here. So just write pip install opencv-python to add opencv and the study session. So it also will take few seconds to be installed. You can see here it will take 3 to 4 minutes to be installed. So after installing opencv in VS Code, as you see, I've just opened this old project that I have created 3 months ago, I think, yeah. So just to show you what you can do with opencv here and VS Code. It's a small project. So we can just execute it to see the results of this exercise. It's about ball direction, as you see here. So it was an overview about how to install opencv, scikit-learn, and Matplotlib in a virtual environment, as you see in VS Code. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see new content. See you in the next video, inshallah.